Hi, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, with a quick tip on how to manage your LinkedIn profiles in other languages. So here it is right here. By default, my LinkedIn profile, right here you can see the URL. This is the standard URL to your profiles. This is my specific URL. However, if you look at over here, you can see I have an English profile and I have one that I'm developing in Spanish, Espanol. And so if I click on English, you can see that, first of all, the URL changed. Okay, now the URL has locale equals English underscore US. And this is my profile. But if I click on Espanol, watch what happens. So now it's, Espanol underscore, ES underscore ES. It's a little bit different. You can notice that my headlines change. I'll flip back and you can see it. See, that's my main headline. This is my Espanol headline. So you can see I can go back and forth. Now I can click on my Spanish profile and hit the pencil and edit it. Now I can come in here and write this in Spanish, write this in Spanish, etc., etc. Okay, I've got to get that done. Now, a couple of things to show you. Here's the globe right here, English, Espanol, and here's the globe. In the globe, you can see I have a couple options. One is I can delete my Espanol or my Spanish profile by hitting that X. Okay. I can also add another profile in a different language if I want to. Okay. Now, what I encourage you to think about is this. If you are doing business globally, then maybe you need to have profiles in a global language. But be careful. I've had this happen to me. I have had people message me in their native language because they thought that I also spoke their language. So you could put in your profile under languages or in your about content that you speak different languages and you can read different languages, and then they may communicate with you in those languages or revert back to English. Bottom line, your LinkedIn profile, you can have your default, you can have one in a different language, and you can create additional ones or delete them from this globe. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, working globally. I hope that's helpful.